I recently received my order from China, and for my 2 minutes build, I decided to pick one item from the order which I will be using alongside with the seed board. I completed the wires around the seed board in order to complete the circuit, just as you can see. Next, I plugged in the USB Type-C cable to the seed board for programming. You will get the code for this project on the first comment below. Uploading the code, I have my project ready for test. This is a gas sensor system alarm project which I'm going to be using the kitchen lighter for test purpose. As I open up the gas from the lighter, the gas intensity increases, and once the intensity is above 50%, the alarm is triggered, and this is how to make a gas sensor in less than 2 minutes.